Want to trade directly from your Gocharting charts? Let's connect Gocharting to your Zerodha account and make it happen. First, head over to Gocharting.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's quick and easy. Now, look for the broker integration or settings section within Gocharting. This is usually found in your profile settings or under dedicated integrations tab. You should see a list of supported brokers. Find Zerodha and click on it. This will initiate the linking process. Gocharting will redirect you to Zerodha Kite Connect Login using your Zerodha client ID and password, just like you normally would. Zerodha will ask you to authorize Gocharting to access your trading account. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click Authorize. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to Gocharting. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Zerodha account is successfully linked. That's it. Now you can trade directly from your Gocharting charts. Just right-click on the chart, select Trade, and place your orders. Happy trading!